You might want to also explain what the Gang of Four is, just for the people that are.
Yeah, the Gang of Four, it's four guys who wrote, I believe, the first book on design patterns, and they kind of compiled them and gave them the name and wrote this book that describes a variety of different design patterns that you can use in your code.
There's a Wikipedia link if you want to take a look. It is definitely a
I was just
class that I
thinking,
wouldn't mind having at some point, and having students actually get the book, and we use that as the actual book for the class.
and actually, Nate, they come from architectural design patterns. The idea was used there first, so it's probably something you're familiar with from that
And it is,
perspective.
by the way, Nelson, it is a behavioral pattern, the template method.
Well, yeah, that's still a
No,
design
I'm
pattern,
saying
no?
it's part of the Gang of Four. No, I was just listing off on where it was
Oh,
at.
okay.
Defines a skeleton of an algorithm as an abstract class, allowing its subclasses to provide concrete behavior.
How easy a read is their actual book? Is
Oh,
it very academic and dry?
No,
I-
I didn't find it. Then again, I'm weird. I
yeah,
don't
it's
know.
all the codes in C++.
Is it? I thought it
Yeah,
was in
'cause
Java.
I thought it was C++. Maybe I'm.
I highly...
No,
Sorry.
go ahead.
I would highly recommend a book that Segfault put me onto, which is Design Patterns for Dummies, one of those big yellow books from the For Dummies series. It's really clear, and it does go over all the Gang of Four patterns, plus it mentions, is probably the best way to put it, some newer patterns like MVC and so forth. But and the code examples are in Java, and thus very readable.